Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today we will read lesson 5, salted crabs. Crabs means kekde. In a village far away, there was a boy named Johan. Johan had a white rooster named Carle and a dog called Chai. Johan loved to talk and play with Carle and Chai all day long. He imagine means kalpana karna. The three of them were great explorer. Explorer means to search and discover about something. But the people in the village knew that Johan was very careless. He was also lazy. His pets knew it too. It is a story of a village where a boy named Johan lived. He had two pets. One was a rooster. Rooster means a cock. Cock means murga. And a dog named Chai. Johan loved his pets and played with them, and he thought that they all were explorer. Explorer means to search and discover about something, but in actual he was very lazy and very careless. One afternoon he was playing near the village pond. His mother called him, Johan, I need some salt. Go to Mickey's shop and buy 5 nice fat crabs also. One day his mother called him to bring salt and 5 crabs from Mickey's shop. How many crabs did mother tell him to buy? 5. And from whose shop? From Mickey's shop. Now look at this picture. In this picture, here is one boy. This is Johan. And Johan is playing with his pet Chai. And there is a one cock behind. This is rooster, and the name of this rooster is Carly. And in this picture, Johan's mother is also standing behind. Okay, mother, I will go right away, he said. For Johan, it means he could go exploring new places. Johan set off the market with Carly and Chai. On the way, some people asked him if he was selling his rooster. Carly fluffered his feather angrily. Fluffered means जोर जोर से पंखों को उसने ऊपर नीचे किया. Johan was not going to sell him. He was going to buy salt and crabs for his mother. Johan was eager to go right away because it means that it could go exploring new places. Johan के लिए मार्केट जाना जो है एक नए प्लेसेस को एक्सप्लोर करने जैसे था. और उसके साथ कार्ले और चाय भी उसके पीछे पीछे मार्केट की तरफ चले गए. People who were in the market asked Johan whether he wanted to sell his rooster. This made rooster angry. जो लोग मार्केट में थे उन्होंने पूछा कि क्या तुम अपने ये रूस्टर को बेचना चाहते हो. तो इससे रूस्टर को गुस्सा आ गया. Carly wandered about following Chai as he chased every moving thing. Johan walked ahead. Finally they reached Mickey's shop. Johan asked for some salt and 5 crabs. There was a big basket with live crabs on the floor. Carly pecked at a crab and made it angry. Pecked means उसने उसको चोंच मारी. Chai sniffed means सूंघना, sniffed around the crab and one crab almost pinched his nose. अब जब वो फाइनली मिकी की शॉप पे पहुंच गए और उन्होंने मिकी से कुछ क्रैब्स 5 क्रैब्स के लिए और सॉल्ट के लिए बोला. All of them reached at Mickey's shop and purchased salt and crabs. The crabs were in a big basket. एक बड़ी बास्केट के अंदर क्रैब्स थे जो कि बास्केट में चल रहे थे. कार्ली ने क्रैब्स को पैक किया, मतलब कि स्ट्राइकिंग विद बीक. उसने अपनी चोंच से एक क्रैब पे चोंच मारी. एंड चाय स्निफ्ड करता हुआ बास्केट की चारों तरफ घूमने लगा. और द क्रैब्स वर एंग्री विद जॉहन्स पेट बिकॉज कार्ली पैक्ड at one of them and Chai sniffed around them. और उनमें से एक क्रैब ने ऑलमोस्ट जो है वो चाय के नोज़ पर अपना, जैसे जो उनके क्रैब्स के जो पंजे होते हैं वो उनसे उसने उनको पकड़ने की कोशिश की, उस पर उसको पिंच किया, मारा. मिकी पुट द क्रैब्स इन अ स्मॉल cane basket and salt in a white paper bag. He gave them to Johan. As Johan left the shop, he heard his friend call out of him, "Johan, what are you doing? Come and sail paper boat with us." His friends were having so much fun playing near the river. "Come on, Charlie, Chai, let's go and have fun." Johan left the shop with 5 crabs in a small basket and salt in white paper. In the meanwhile, when he was leaving the shop, his friends called him to play. Johan was tempted to join his friends because they were sailing paper boat and having so much fun and playing near the river. Johan followed him without thinking about salt water and salt crabs and mother. Carly and Chai looked at Johan. "What about the crabs and the salt?" mother asked, for they seems to ask. दोनों चाय और कार्ले ने इस तरह से देखा जोहन को कि अब ये तुमने सॉल्ट और ये क्रैब जो मदर ने मंगवाए थे उसके बारे में अब क्या होगा. Johan understood their caution. "We will send the crabs home. I will put the salt on them. Mother will get salted crabs," he said. जॉहन ने समझ लिया कि उसके पेट क्या कहना चाहते हैं. जॉहन ने कहा कि मैं जो है क्रैब्स को सॉल्ट दे दूंगा और ये घर ले जाएंगे. He emptied the packet of the salt on the crabs. Then he took the crabs out of the basket. The crabs winked at each other and started running. Winkle means close and open one eye quickly. "Now go home quickly. Mother is waiting. Turn right at the crossing. It is the last house in the lane," Johan shouted to them. Johan put the salt on the crabs and took them out of the basket. Crabs were looking at him, closing and opening their eyes, and started running. और जोहन ने क्रैब्स को बास्केट से बाहर निकाल के उनके ऊपर नमक डाल दिया और बोला कि जल्दी जाओ, मम्मा वेट कर रही हैं और जल्दी जाना और क्रॉसिंग से राइट टर्न लेना और गली का आखिरी घर मेरा है. और जो क्रैब जो हैं फटाफट जो हैं अपने जो पिंचर जो होते हैं उनके हुक्ड मुड़े हुए जो क्लॉज होते हैं उनको कहते हैं, उनको फटाफट क्रैब जो हैं भाग गए और नदी की तरफ चले गए. "Where's the boat, Johan?" his friend asked. "Here it is," he said, showing the folded white salt paper. Johan continued to play with his friend till sunset. Then he waved goodbye to his friend and started for home. अब crabs जो हैं, crabs waved their pinchers. Pinchers means curved claws of crabs and ran into the river. Johan joined his friend. अब जॉहन से उनका तुम्हारी बोट कहाँ है, तो वो जो नमक का जो पेपर था उसने निकाला और कहा ये मेरी बोट है. एंड दे ऑल प्लेड टिल सनसेट एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम दे रिटर्न होम. As they were returning, Chai heard a familiar whistle. Familiar means जानी पहचानी. He began tugging. Tugging means pulling at Johan's trouser. "Oh, mother is calling. I must hurry," said Johan. When they reached his home, his mother was angry. His very angry mother was waiting at the door. "Where are the crabs and the salt I asked you to get, Johan?" "The crabs could walk, so I sent them home. I put the salt on them so they could carry it home to you. I even told them the way to home, but the disobedient crabs must have taken a shortcut through the river. I will go and find them, Johann said with great confidence. John hurriedly moved towards his home. When he reached home, his mother was waiting at the door and mother was very angry. मदर ने बोला कि जो क्रैब्स और सॉल्ट मैंने लाने को कहा था वो कहाँ हैं. Johann told her that he had sent the crabs home, giving them the direction. He said that the disobedient crabs must have taken a shortcut through the river and he would go and find them. उसने मदर को बोला कि मैंने जो है क्रैब्स को सॉल्ट लेके घर भेज दिया और उनको रास्ता भी बता दिया, क्योंकि वो चल सकते थे इसलिए मैंने उसको नमक लेके घर भेज दिया है. और ये जो डिसोबीडियंट क्रैब्स हैं ज़रूर उन्होंने शॉर्टकट ले लिया होगा रिवर से. मैं अभी जाता हूँ और उसको ढूंढ के लाता हूँ. मदर फर्स्ट लाफ्ड आफ्टर हियरिंग हिज इनोसेंट एक्सप्लेनेशन, देन ही टर्न रेड विद एंगर. मम्मा जो है उसकी मदर पहले तो हंसी उसके इतने मासूम से आंसर सुन के, लेकिन फिर वो गुस्से में आ गई. Johann rushed towards the river. Both Carle and Chai followed them. जॉहन जो है नदी की तरफ भागा और उसके पीछे कौन भागे, उसके दोनों पैट्स. होप यू लाइक दिस लेसन. थैंक यू.